Good day, Rafael Reyes here, branch manager at Cross Country Mortgage, and it is a pleasure to meet you electronically. Outside of getting married, having children, or landing that dream job, purchasing a home is listed as one of those pinnacle life achievements, and it is an honor and a privilege to be along in this journey with you and your family. So what do you say? Let's get started. Below my email, you're going to see an Apply Now button. In order to begin processing your application for a pre-approval, I will need you to click that link and it will carry you over to my secure site where you begin your loan application. Don't be afraid if you don't have the answers to every single one of these questions, because you and I are going to schedule a secondary call where we're going to make everything picture perfect so that we may issue your pre-approval. The most important part of that specific process is getting to the end and clicking submit. And don't be worried about any inquiries to your credit report, because all we do are soft credit inquiries. So once you complete that application, you're going to immediately receive an email requesting some documents. Here's what you're going to need: pay stubs, bank statements, and tax returns. If you want to make the process a little bit easier on yourself, you're also able to verify your income and banking information electronically. I do understand that some people have some apprehension about doing this, so if you feel like you just prefer to provide the documentation, no worries at all. Flip us an email, upload them into the system, and we'll be happy to review them as quickly as possible. Outside of that, a couple of other housekeeping items that I want to make sure that you're aware of. I can move a mountain, but I can't move the boulders up the hill. So I have a team of qualified mortgage experts. We have over 100 years collectively of mortgage experience that helped me make this dream come true for you. One of those team members, her name is Patricia Barocas. The other one is Katara Bush. If you see any emails from any of my team members, please respond to them as quickly as possible, because that's how we are able to serve you with the white glove service that you deserve. Outside of that, attached to this email, kindly find a roadmap that's going to briefly illustrate the process of purchasing a home. Purchasing a home has many peaks and valleys, and rest assured, we're going to hold your hand till the end of that mountain. Lastly, the foundation of our practice is very simple. It's communication, transparency, and execution. And as you go through this process, you'll see why we have thousands of customers that have been happy with our services. So I hope you have a great day, and we'll chat soon. Take care. Bye-bye.